Syntax. Python is known for its simple and easy-to-read syntax. It uses indentation to indicate the structure of the code, which makes it easy for beginners to learn. On the other hand, Java has a more complex syntax that requires more lines of code to accomplish the same task. Performance. Java is known for its speed and performance, making it a popular choice for building high-performance applications such as financial trading systems and enterprise software. Python, on the other hand, is slower than Java due to its interpreted nature. However, Python can be optimized using various libraries and frameworks. Popularity. Both Python and Java are popular programming languages. According to the TOB Index, which ranks programming languages based on their popularity, Java is currently the second most popular language, while Python is in third place. However, Python has been growing in popularity in recent years due to its use in machine learning and data analysis. Applications. Java is often used for building large-scale enterprise applications, such as banking software and trading platforms. Python is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. In conclusion, both Python and Java have their own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on the specific requirements of the project. Java is known for its performance and is often used for building large-scale enterprise applications, while Python is known for its simplicity and versatility and is often used for scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning.